go really fast, and we also need WD-40 for this. Controls are really loud. You can't really see it. Okay. After I get this split, now push that now. Oh, okay, that's broken. Okay. Now I'll lift this switch back down. Okay. Ready to Yep, nothing good in here. Oh, hi guys. This is a Doepke Super Yardbird, and we're going to be fixing it. I hope we get it done in less than a year. It's going to take a couple months, but I think we're going to get it fixed. This is the way it worked when it was new. This was the lights. This was horn. This was off. This would, if you pushed it, the motor turned on. This would be backwards, and this would be forward.
The last thing we probably need is another project, right, Jerry?
Yeah.
But we're going to do it anyway. But Jerry, what is your favorite? What are you looking forward to most about this project?
Making the tracks.
Making the tracks.
This is the starter of the train, and it's from the 1980s, and we're going to try to find another one that's just like this one. And this is the starter one, and you push it to be on, and you pull it to be off.
Now, Jerry, I think we may have to retrofit it with something a little more modern. Would that work?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then there's supposed to be a motor here, and this is the hole for the motor, but it seems like we don't have the motor.
Well, that would be, I think, for the gas-powered motor if there was a muffler. I think the muffler would go down there, but this one is the electric version. They did make a gas version. What do you think about that Caboose?
It's good.
You know, that Caboose, I think, is homemade, and it was made on top of a flat car, an actual flat car, but I think the Caboose is custom made. Somebody put a lot of work into it. It's really heavy. Why don't you go show them how heavy it is? Can you lift it? Yeah, it's pretty heavy. So somebody did a good job with that Caboose, don't you think?
Yeah.
What are these? What are these things, buddy?
These are the trucks that help the train to move. But if there wasn't any trucks, it would just move like that.
Yeah. So we do have a problem. Do you know what the problem is? We're missing wheels, the gearbox for the powered train. But Daddy,
it's a good thing we have two more of them. We have one here and we have one under there. We can show you.
Okay.
Right there.
Now, Daddy has a couple ideas for a gearbox we can use for the powered train, and that'll be in an upcoming video where we talk about that, okay?
Yep. These are parts from the these are parts from the powered one where you pedal it. These are that part, those parts.
Okay, and then in a little bit later we'll show some backstory about where we take it apart. 3, 2, 1, take off your blindfold. What do you think of that?
Good.
I think it needs some work. going?
But first of all, we need a track.
Yeah, we'll have to work on it. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to grease it up. I think that goes forward and reverse. So we can, when we fix
What
it.
does that do?
So this one, now, it's broken, but this is the first one we're gonna work on. You sit on it and you pedal. And that one you sit on it and it drives away. But we're gonna have to fix it. That's some spare parts.
This can be a flat one, right?
Yeah, it could be a flat one.
Does this come off?
No, that's just the caboose.
First of all, this switch is destroyed. Right now we're going to be sanding everything, so let's just get it to a nice view where you can see. Okay. There it is. Now we can start sanding. Okay. Okay. Let's do next wheels. Okay. Okay. Caboose. Nice. Let me show you what the inside looks like. Yeah, not that good. I don't know why not everything. Not good, so you guys can barely see. Yeah. Okay. Let's get to the train. Okay. Ooh. Well, I think we're done with that.
Let me show you how to take the chain off, okay? Where are those goggles? Let me show you how to take the chain off. There's a special piece.
Called what?
I don't know. But we gotta find it first. So we'll take this chain jammed up in there. So we're going to have to loosen these bolts up and take it apart to get that
I
cover.
got the idea.
Let me get your socket set.
Nope, I can't use this. I'll do it the old school.
No, we need some WD-40 and
Yeah, definitely WD-40.
okay, take this and spray on those. Just
Yeah,
there.
we don't really need these.
No, you need that if it sprays back. You need that. You gotta have eye protection. I'm gonna get your socket set. Use your sockets. Here. Pick your it's this one. That's good. You got that one.
No, I didn't.
It's hard. You want me to do it? Yeah, it takes a little bit of strength. Just a little bit there. Now it's the 7/16 socket. Can you find that one?
10, 16. I got 11, 16, but yeah, I have 9, 7, 16.
Okay, and then get that one here. All right, and then this side has a big fat screwdriver. I'll hold it, and you can try to turn that. That's not working here. Yeah, turn it.
Whereas,
See if it gets a latch. All right, that's righty tighty.
pretty good.
I think you got it. You gotta try that. See if that works. There you go. Now, I'm ready. Give it a try. Gonna get it square on there. Got it. Oh, you got it backwards. Okay, that's why. Here, let me help you. There you go. And get it full square on there. There, and then hold, yep, and then pull. And watch your knuckles on this. No, 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 stop, stop. You don't want the handle because if it slipped, you would cut yourself on it. So let's back it up, back it up. You want to be inside there, so you just push down. I'll help hold it back here, okay? Is it tight?
It's too tight. I'm going to go get.
I got another idea. No, no, no.
Why is there almost no way to get that out?
Oh, it's just, that's part of working on old stuff. I have another idea. Now make sure this pushed in to go backwards and this pushed in to go so you want to go backwards. And you just get it lined up straight and then you pull that pull and it'll, it's an impact.
Okay, I got
But wait till I get lined up.
I'm ready.
Alright, hold on. Now get it on there and then wait till I'm ready. Now get it square. Nope, no, no, you can't. Nope, it's crooked. See, hold it so it's nice and square. Down here, square and flat, okay? Now try. Whoa. Okay, you got it.
No, what do I do
Oops, let go. Don't do that. Don't do that. Now we need to get it out. Just there you go. Came out. Now there's a. Hold on. Whoop. Get this. Hold on. Now let's do this one because we're gonna flip it around. The same thing over
You
here.
get the.
Wait, it's soaking. We put on all of them.
I didn't do it.
I did. Oh, once it, yeah, there you go. You just kind of give it just a little juice, and you're done. Yeah, there you go.
Perfect.
All right, now I'll flip it around. Here, stop. Put that in the bag.
Here you go.
Put it in the bag. Put it in the bag.
Oh, there's the bag.
Put this one in the bag.
Why are you taking that long? Two last screws. I know what I'm doing.
All right, let's do this back one first. Okay, I'm ready. Oh. Once it's loose, you should be. Do you feel how it's loosening up?
Yeah.
Yeah. So once it's loose, you don't have to keep pulling the trigger. In fact, there. Put that in, and I'll get this one out. Put this one in. Okay, the next one.
Okay. And then we'll clean it.
I'm trying to get that chain off. Okay. Good boy. Now I think we'll take a look. Let's see.
I'm going to clean these.
Well, I wouldn't worry about that right now. We're just taking it apart. We'll clean them later. All right, you can take that off, and let's inspect it and see if we can get access any better to the chain. Okay. Let's see if we
I
can
have
get these.
I have a better idea.
Well, I think we take these handles off.
No. No, we're fine. I know why.
Get your finger pinched. Careful. Here, wipe your hands on that. See, I think the chain, the reason it's not working is the chain is jammed up.
I will clean these.
Now, this, buddy, is the special link. We get this off, we can take the chain apart, and then we can get this whole thing apart, okay? So, we got to put our safety stuff on, and we got to be careful it doesn't fly off.
Want to keep my daddy hiding
Okay.
here?
So, I'm going to try to pull it off. And I'm not sure why it's not.
Because you have to
Let's
push
put
up.
some of this stuff on it. get another. Oh, where's the pliers? Let's try the pliers. Can you get those needle nose over there?
Oh, needle nose.
Yeah.
Can I do it?
Well,
Can I show you the trick?
yeah, you can show me the trick.
Get the needle nose stuck right here.
Careful. I got another one.
Hey, I got it.
You're on.
Put in the comments what we should name this railroad, and we're also going to put this chain in some oil because it's all rusty. And it popped out right with the screwdriver, so let's put it into oil.
Okay.
We're going to put some oil in so it will work better. So I'm going to just wrap this around. Like so. And then that. And then place it in here like that. It's not fitting.
Oh, that's fine. Just the oil will soak in, buddy. Just dump the oil up till it covers it. And we'll let it sit there for a week or who knows.
No.
Want me to open that? There you go.
Okay.
Just dump it in.
Oh my gosh.
Put a little more. That's good. A little more. That's good. Yeah. Okay, and then we'll just...
I did it slowly though. You kind of want to slosh it around. And you kind of want to slosh it around
Okay.
to like get it moving.
Go ahead and just set it down right there by the wheels.
It's really oily.
All right, buddy.
We're going to get this thing fixed. We're going to get it working. And we're going to get some tracks so it can run. And we're also going to fix all the carts. We're also going to get that gearbox in. Put in the comments what we should name this train. And we're off. And it has to be USA. And after USA, you can name it whatever you want to be. If you have a YouTube channel and you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. And I'm looking forward to seeing your videos too. Bye.
Here, let's do that again.